Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. I personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin, and if it hits $1, I'll make around 15k for free. Definitely worth checking out below. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon today then on our daily time frame. As we can see, getting a bit of a red candle today and a retrace, just in line with Bitcoin having a bit of a pullback as you would expect. Bitcoin has been chopping around at the 100k resistance for a good while now. I do think we are going to see a pullback soon for Bitcoin. It has been going up and up and up and up without any pullbacks of any significant size at all. I do think we could easily see this coming back down into this 70 to 80k area very, very easily for a nice, I would say, healthy pullback before continuation. Obviously, if that's the case, we'll see Polygon having a really, really significant retrace as well, probably down into this 40 or 50 cent area here. But overall, Polygon right now looking really, really nice. Lovely bounce up off the lows. I'm in a massive amount of profit on my trade, which I took down here. I've talked about it numerous times in other videos. You can see here, lovely, lovely, lovely move to the upside. Overall, looking like it's heading up through our Fibonacci levels, broke through the 023, lovely and clean. The 038, looking really, really nice as well. Fully tapped into that, getting rejected today, obviously just because of Bitcoin. But we could easily see this continuing to the upside provided that Bitcoin plays ball. Obviously, if Bitcoin drops, it'll drop the whole market. But if Bitcoin keeps going sideways and is boring, our large caps will probably continue to have more upside. Although we've probably seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves in this local move for Polygon happen. So we could see a little retrace back down towards 50 cents before another push. Something like this could easily play out as well. Right now, Polygon just looking like it's making bullish market structure still. Breaking through all kinds of levels of resistance here. You can see we broke through 1, 2, 3, 4 key swing areas of resistance here on this reversal off the lows. And really, we are flipping bullish going into the large cap bull market we've seen over the past few weeks. Cardano, VeChain, XRP, Polygon, Avalanche. So many cryptos having really, really good bullish periods. And you would see here, Polygon, no exception. Not much to say apart from the fact that it's looking good in my opinion. The weekly time frame looking exceptionally nice here. Cleanly breaking through a bunch of resistances. We could easily see a back test and continue back up towards the all-time high like this, it going into this very, very exciting period of the bull market. As I said in other videos, not much else to report. Just chilling and waiting for something to happen. Make sure to sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well, and like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.